and Aurelia is coming up the dirt road.
Is there an advantage to going on a dirt road?
Yeah, what's the
Say you did it.
Just to say
You tell me.
Say you did it, and Don won't call you a pussy.
Yeah, well, Don can call me a pussy. Just Don is a pussy. Okay? So there you go.
Yeah, that's our biggest fear as club members, being called a pussy by Don.
Okay? It's just my preference. I just don't like them.
Dirt bike? I do it.
I'm not right. I don't like them.
I did it last weekend.
It's okay if you're in front. Yeah, exactly.
Everybody else is just eating dust.
When I saw that, I'm like, no, I'm not going to go back there.
I'm a little surprised they're not more spread out. Don's going to kill me for this video.
Were you in that ride uncharted water? I bet we went throughout the day.